Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The compound wall constructed on 148/0 is required to have 7 openings as per the approved plan, because farmers have always been using these openings to access their fields, which are located on individual plots inside. Now, second issue which we have is the compound wall constructed on survey number 176 has been constructed without any permissions from authorities, and now after the construction is complete they are getting it regularized. But right now the urgency of the farmers is that for last almost 3 months since April, the farmers have not been able to access their fields, not been able to cultivate, not been able to harvest on account of these openings being blocked, on account of security guards and other restrictions being deployed by the private party, farmers being asked for property documents, so on and so forth. So the long and short of it is that for last 3 months the farmers have been protesting because they have not been able to access their fields. Today when the matter came up in court, the private party makes a statement to the court that the construction of the wall which we are complaining of, the company says is as per the approved plan, and that all of the openings which are required to be maintained are present. So the court has recorded this statement of the private party. It has kept the matter for August, and it has told the petitioners, it has told us to ascertain the position on site, whether these openings are maintained, and in case we find any difficulties, the court has given us liberty to circulate, to mention the matter and get it taken up once again.